WelcomHeritage Haveli Dharampura? 5 stars. Get the celebrity treatment with world-class service at WelcomHeritage Haveli Dharampura, set in the heart of Delhi. WelcomHeritage Haveli Dharampura, awarded UNESCO Award for Cultural and Heritage Restoration, is nestled among the narrow alleys of Chandni Chowk. Guests can enjoy the on-site restaurant. Free Wi-Fi is available. Every room comes with a flat-screen TV with satellite channels. All rooms have a private bathroom. Extras include free toiletries and a hair dryer. Accurate photos. Loved location and staff. Would stay again. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Comfortable bed and hot shower. Restaurant staff and food was excellent, though pricey. Great hotel. So magical. Wonderful atmosphere and great food at the restaurant. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.